should never fear at all. If you are sick, you should not fear, because you'll either be treated and you will recover, or you will die. If you recover, you don't need to fear anything. But even if you die, you don't need to fear. Because when you go up there, you will either go to heaven or go to hell. When you go to heaven, you have nothing to fear. But when you go to hell, also you have nothing to fear. You meet so many of your comrades. You'll spend a lot of time just greeting them, saying, "How are you doing?" Before your time comes to go to fire. So don't fear. You don't need to fear anything. Okay? So, Jim has told you, where we are coming from. I myself was a student leader in Europe. We used to have what was called Federation of Kenyan Students in Europe. And I was the Secretary General who organized all Kenyan students from Ireland all the way to the Urals. That means Soviet Union in those days. And we used to meet and organize ourselves and actually make contributions that assisted the people who are struggling back here at home. We were members of the International Students Union, which Jim has just referred to, which is based in Prague. At that time, the leader was from Angola, a member of what they call MPLA, which is now the ruling party in Angola at that time. And this student movement actually assisted the liberation movement back at home. In those days, Zimbabwe was still called Rhodesia, struggling. Mozambique, Angola, Guinea-Bissau, Cape Verde were still under the Portuguese colonialism. South Africa, apartheid was ruling